Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to fix problem on Google Play. So if you see you must be enrolled in Google Play Integrity, so firstly you just need to turn on Play Integrity in your Google Play account. So after, you just need to open Android Studio. So for example, just tap on build, after just tap app bundle, generate bundles, and here just tap on generate signed app bundle. So after, you just need to choose AAB. So after, you just need to write here your path to your JKS file. And actually, if you don't have that yet, so you could also just tap on create new, and here you will be able to just create new key. After, you will just use this key for your AAB file, and also after, you will upload this AAB file to your Google Play console. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, download my apps in description, and have a nice day.